Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Polygon Matic, whose current price stands at the $0.7939 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 3.28%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart. From the all-time high, we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.02 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected that ABC correction to the lower side to do, and soon we might see a very nice bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave structure, having our wave 5 taking us back to an all-time high. But before we see the formation of our wave 5, which I expect will be taking us back to an all-time high, I first need to see the formation of our wave 1 of this Elliot wave structure, and I have a target area here on the charts for that first wave to the upside at around the $1.92 mark and the $1.63 mark, and that I'm basing it on the Fibonacci's. So if I use the Fibs connecting the low down there to the all-time high, you can see my yellow target area lies between the Fib level 0.618 and the Fib level 0.5, which is the minimum that I expect that first wave to the upside to do. And in this video I want to base my analysis on the Elliot waves, and within our first wave to the upside we also expect to see fractal waves within a first wave to the upside, and I believe that is what has been in formation on this chart. So if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can see I have this fractal wave within a wave 1, which I believe is what is in formation here on the charts. And once you see the formation of a 5 wave to the upside, that will be completing a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of these waves so that I can also get the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts, after seeing our low at around the $0.32 mark, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and formed the high of that first wave to the upside. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's we can get to see whether it has done the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to do by connecting the low down there to the high of that first wave, and that gives me a target area between the Fib level 0.618 and the Fib level 0.382, which is a target area that we have maximized. We even overshooted the Fib level 0.382 a little bit. Then we started to see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of our wave 3, and I had a target area here on the charts for that third wave to the upside at around the $0.93 mark, and that I was basing it on the trend based Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gave me a target area for that third wave to the upside at around the Fib level 1.618, that is at around the $0.93 mark. We maximized our yellow target area for that third wave to the upside, and initially here on the charts I had these as the high of that third wave to the upside. Then I expected a very nice retracement here on the charts in the formation of a wave 4, and I even had a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side, but Polygon Matic has invalidated that move of the formation of a wave 4 and the high for that third wave, and that move was invalidated when we managed to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.95 mark. We continued pushing higher and made a high at around the $1.06 mark. Having done so, that invalidated my Elliot wave structure here for that third wave to the upside, and I have my new high, which is right here at around the $1.06 mark, as the new high for that third wave to the upside. Then I have a new target area for that fourth wave to the lower side, and that is what is going to give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts. And if you get to the key scenarios, I believe we are in the formation of the fourth wave to the lower side in this movement that we are seeing over here. After losing a key area of support at around the $0.95 mark, we have continued seeing lower prices in the formation of a wave 4, and because our wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side by connecting the fibs from the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. That gives me the minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the target area that I have drawn out here on the chart. So using that yellow marking, and you can see the price of Polygon Matic has continued to respect that. We have come down into that target area here on the charts, and within this target area we also have a key area of support at around the $0.78 mark, and in that movement to the lower side you can see we came to around the $0.78 mark. We found support and we are seeing a very nice retest here on the charts. Hope you can see it. We are seeing a retest of that key area of support, and because our wave 4 is a corrective wave, we expect to see an ABC correction within our wave 4. So whatever is information over here, this might be the formation of an ABC correction. So once the retest is a success and we continue pushing a little bit higher, this might be the formation of an ABC correction, having it over here like this, having that as the wave A. Then after the retest is a success and we continue pushing a little bit higher, the high that we make, that will be the high for that wave B. Then continue pushing her to the lower side to maximize our yellow target down here by going to around the $0.78 mark. So that is the first possible scenario that I expect to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. It's possible we are going to see a retest of that key area of support, push a little bit higher, make a high for that wave B, then continue pushing high in the formation of our wave C to maximize our yellow target area for that fourth wave. And once we see the formation of our wave 4, then we can continue pushing high in the formation of our wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. And the other possible scenario is that as we try to have a retest of that key area of resistance of support, it's possible that we might lose that key area of support that is at around the $0.78 mark and head straight into the lower side of that target area that we have here on the charts by going to around the $0.78 mark. So it's possible, in case the retest is not a success, we lose that key area of support, we might maximize our yellow target area and then see the low for that fourth wave to the lower side, then continue pushing high in the formation of our wave 5. It's also possible that as we try to maximize our yellow target area for that fourth wave, we can lose our target area and continue seeing lower prices. And in case that happens, then we need to have an invalidation point here on this chart. That is a move that can invalidate our Elliot wave structure, and the only move that can play out is a wave 4 retracing into the high of the first wave to the upside. That is at around the $0.062 mark, because that is the high for that first wave over here. So in case we continue seeing lower prices, lose that key area of support, maximize our yellow target area in the formation of our wave 4, then continue seeing lower prices, which might get us to around the $0.62 mark, then that move will be invalidating my Elliot wave structure here on the charts, and I might have to restructure it. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI. On the RSI we are trading at around the 41 mark, so we have massive room for us to support any movement to the upside to maximize the formation of our wave B and then continue heading straight to the lower side to maximize our yellow target area. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.